Hey, so let's do a Throwback Thursday video. A bunch of friends of mine went through Tail of the Dragon after Berettafest, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Drove home with another buddy of mine from New York, Jay. He's the one I went and got a car for him a little while back. And also my buddy Geoff from Carolina and Brian from Tennessee. Actually, the whole Beretta group went to Tail of the Dragon 2013 or 2014. Berettafest was in Pigeon Forge. And I was all psyched to do that, but I think that was my driver, Axel, had different plans. It was a DSS drive shaft shop custom axle made for like 400 horsepower or whatever. And I had to rebuild, I think I rebuilt one side twice and the other side once. Because they are a little bit softer so that they don't shatter when you shock load them, but it's also not real great for highway miles. So they take a little bit more maintenance than a normal axle. But so I missed out on it in 2014, I think it was, and did it in 2018 here with a few buddies. It was kind of late when we went through the Dragon and missed Killboy, and I think there's a couple other photographers usually on the, parked on the side somewhere getting good pictures, and we missed all that stuff. So my buddy from New York and we went and backtracked. My buddy from Tennessee, he lives like 15 miles from the Dragon, so he backtracked also and took my wife and my buddy's girlfriend and had them take some pictures while we ran through there. He's already got a million pictures of his car. And we got some pictures that way. It's not like professional cameras and stuff, but it still came out pretty cool. Got a couple little video clips here and there too from my wifey's, the little live videos that they get when she's taking pictures. My wife was pregnant at the time when we did it, and she said the baby was like a little gyroscope when I was throwing her through the turns, slamming side to side and everything. And my friend that was ahead of me with the Cayenne Z26 that you see, he took it a little easier than I would have, but Tiffany actually got out of the car and gave him a hug when we got to the Killboy spot where we parked. She didn't want me going any faster than we were.